Okay, so I am going to build the Gunner Veteran with Flamer. So in order to do this, I'm going to be following the green here. So I'm going to do like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 79, 80, and I think there's one other part, 43 over there. So yeah, I'm going to should be a nice simple build this, and hopefully it won't take me that long, and it's going to create my Flamer Veteran. Okay, so I'm going to start off with just the normal coat. Again, very simple and quick, easy build this one, because everything is very close together. There's no like endless searching for parts. Of course, it's helped that I've mapped them out, but I found that when I was doing the Orc Commandos, even if I mapped out which one I was doing, it would still be a bit of a process to find everything. So I do like how simple and easy to do this one is. Trying to get any of the bigger chunks off. So quite again, it's just so simple, these build, and there's no major kind of mold lines on this one, which I like. There's a couple of on the backpacks, which are a bit annoying because, as I said, there's quite a bit of detail on those, but as far as on the main model itself, they're not that bad, the mold lines. He's decided to clog up again. It's having one of those gluey days. Oh, days. Come on, clog up. I'm pretty certain it's not clogged up that badly. See if that works. There we go. Okay, so I'll glue into there, get these legs nice and solid on. Then front of the cloak, make sure it's the right way around. There we go. Got to kind of take it from a bit of an angle to get that one on. And same thing again, just make sure that that hose properly gets onto the side there. Make sure the head is nicely aligned like that. Okay, now it's just a simple matter of getting 79, 80 and 43. Go from this side. Parts. Hey, should be quite a quick, easy build this one then, shouldn't it? Great. Just trying to be careful holding this because it's a bit going to be one of those easy to snap parts. To do this, you can see, because it's hard to cut out. Ooh. It's kind of got quite a bad joint thing on it. Just got to trim those down a bit, and then I can get my scraper in there. Drying up fast, it must be hot. Got the rest of this on now, just nice and neat. Hopefully quite straightforward this part. Get it on his arm, and then obviously making sure that it connects here too. The arm looks a bit further out than I want it to there. Yeah, there we go. Just making sure that it aligns properly, that's all. And then finally, the last bit, the arm. And then that has been done super fast. I like it when these go fast. I like it when there's no major hassle and you can just put them together. done. I think in the future I'm going to try and find out if these like flamer arms can attach to other ones of the kit. They probably should do because they've got very flat surfaces. Okay, and there we go. That is simple as that. That is our flamer veteran. Oh, come on, camera, please focus on what you're supposed to. There we go. There's our flamer veteran, all nice and finished. So, hope you enjoyed that video, and please like and subscribe.